with everything going on this weekend, from snowstorms to birthday parties to me just being pretty busy, it totally was lost on me that the Galaxy Z Trifold was going on display at Samsung stores. So when I did finally hear about this, of course I had to go take a look at this thing. So we're at the mall. It's my break. You know how we do. Galaxy Z Trifold. Let's get into it.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
Here we are, Samsung store. And here it is. The Trifold. What's up, man?
Yeah, here we go. Finally. Coming out this Friday.
So I've been told. I was surprised it was in store. Somehow I missed the whole
No,
announcement.
like we literally just got it like not even 2 days.
Yeah, what, on Friday or Saturday? Huh?
It's coming out on Friday. We just got an example of it like not even 2 days.
Wow. Smaller than I thought. I'm not gonna lie. Small.
Really? I feel like it was bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it was. I mean, I heard it was 10 inches. I don't know why I thought opened it would be larger than this. I don't know why. I think because like my daughter has a
Straight up tablet.
yeah, she has like a 10-inch iPad. But you know what? It's probably because hers is iPad. It's thicker than this.
Oh yeah, that might
Yeah,
explain it.
I'm like the screen. It's probably the same size screen, but this is way thinner than I thought. Because I was like, because you see the video, like, how are they just walking around with an iPad like this? Like that doesn't make sense to me. But now that I see it in person, it's actually
Quite useful.
usable. Yeah. So what's the price of this?
So seems like the starting price for that, as we speculate, is 2,800.
Is that the 512 or the 1 terabyte?
Yeah.
The
That's for the 512.
512.
I believe there's going to be a 1 terabyte model as well.
Yeah, I heard that, but no one can like say for sure. Like, is it online only thing? Is it going to be in
It
store?
would have to be in store here as well.
Right.
Usually what we get online here, it ends up over here physically.
Right.
So exclusively towards the Samsung stores.
But I have work. Suppose I don't get here in time
On Friday.
on Friday, right?
Hey.
Because this makes sense now. Because I swore it was big. Because it made no sense. Like, I can't hold this in one hand. I really can't. But now that I have it in my hand, I know what I could use this.
Yeah, you do it.
Yeah, I could use this and not be mad at it. Oh, I am recording this, so just so you know. Oh, okay. Yeah, so now that I finally had a chance to actually hold the Galaxy Z Trifold, it did make that much more sense to me. I really thought the device was bigger, more akin to, I don't know why I thought this, but my Galaxy Tab 10, my Ultra, I really thought it would unfold to be kind of that size, even though that's a 14-inch screen, and we all know that the Z Trifold is a 10-inch screen, pretty much 10 exactly. I don't know why in my mind it was larger than it was. It is very usable. The size really doesn't just fit in your hand, and it's not overweight. It's actually really light, and it really makes for an interesting device. It's the first time I could say I could wield a large screen tablet and not have the heft tire my arms out. It really is that light in the hand. So here I tried out the Z Fold's, not Z Fold, the Z Trifold's camera. Again, I always tell you guys I'm not a camera guy, so going through all the various specs that this camera has or doesn't have is not something I would do or I would probably ever do. But I do know it has the same specs as the Z Fold 7. So if you like those cameras, if those work just fine for you, if those specs agree with your phone photography, then you'll have no issues with this. I did like the way you could use the large screen to take pictures. And you know that they always say don't be that guy who uses their iPad to take a picture or an Android tablet. But the fact that you could use the back screen just like you could use a foldable phone to use the good cameras to view what you are taking a picture of, in this case a selfie shot of myself, it just felt good. It's not anything I haven't seen before. It's not anything I haven't done before. But the fact that I was able to adjust the size of the triple fold to be more usable in the hand for this one task, you know, actually felt pretty good. They always complain that, oh, you can't have dual sizes with the way this device folds up, but if you're using the rear camera, you definitely can. Yeah.
Not to make the extra purchase unless you want something, unless you don't like the taste of the box.
It just makes no sense to me. That's cool. Can I open up something on this side? Okay, drop there. YouTube on that side. I can have that in the middle. Okay, so I can do 3. So how do I get panel to panel? Maybe I
It should
can.
still be 3 apps at a time.
Yeah, I had seen someone. They had done the. Oh, there it is.
Oh, never mind. Yeah, that's
Yep, that's cool. That is very cool. Oh, try to go forward that way.
I don't expect us to do these longer than like Verizon or any other.
Yeah, I think it's strictly going to be. It's not even that big when closed. That's kind of crazy. Because I just like to compare things, I did compare the Z Trifold to the Z7 Fold or Z Fold 7 that they had in store. It's really not that big a difference when you put them side by side. I mean, there is an extra panel on the Trifold, but the difference is so negligible, you probably won't realize it once you get used to the phone. Of course, I have to compare it to my personal foldable, the Honor Magic V2. This has been my ride or die foldable for about 2 years now. And every time a new foldable comes out, I need to compare the size because at one point, the Honor Magic V2 was the thinnest foldable on the market. And it is something to see how the market has evolved to make something as thin as mine not the thinnest foldable on the market. The Z Trifold, again, is just a smidge thicker than my dual folding device, and that is saying something. Samsung really did a really interesting, really cool engineering job here to make these 3 foldable panels fit in a thickness similar to my bifold. Now, screen size, they say it's a 10-inch screen, so I did compare it to the Tab S9 FE, and aside from the bezels on the FE, the size is pretty much the same. There is a slight, the screen is slightly bigger when you put the Z Trifold on top of it. That 0.6 inches of the I think the 9 FE or the 10 FE really do make a difference. You wouldn't think that 0.6 inches did, but it really does. I had read that it's not getting Samsung care, but if your screen does break, they'll give you like 50% off. But how is it to fix? Is 50% off still $2,000? I mean, that's the thing. What is 50?
Is 1,500.
1,500 to repair the inner screen.
Like any part.
Any part? Oh, damn. What about like a third party?
They're likely not to get the part. Like.
And we don't know, not to say that you won't take care of the phone or the phone is not good, but things happen. So
yeah, things do happen. Like that.
That was a mistake. I didn't do that.
Things happen, bam. I was like, oh. Now, one of the last things that I checked out is pretty much one of the most important aspects of the Z Trifold to me, and that is the ability to use Dex on the device itself. Dex, if you don't know, is Samsung's answer to having an all-in-one software, all-in-one productivity device. Your phone can be a phone, or when you hook it up to a monitor, it becomes a quasi-PC experience. The Z Fold, or Z Trifold, well, the Z Fold as well, but the Z Trifold can actually activate Dex without the external display. So you open the phone, activate Dex, add a mouse and a keyboard, and you are off to the races, as they say. You have a full mobile productivity suite in your pocket. The entire device is now a quasi laptop or PC experience, and you just take that with you anywhere you go. On my tablet, they took away the ability to use Dex on the tablet screen without hooking up to a larger monitor. The Z Trifold rectifies that by bringing that functionality back, allowing me to use the phone in phone mode and the tablet in tablet mode, and both of these devices are just built into one device and can fold up and fit into my pocket. But when you ask yourself, do you want a regular tablet that can just be on your table, or a tablet that can fold into a phone and fit in your pocket, that's when you see the role that the Trifold is supposed to fit into. Not just a phone, not just a tablet, but one device that can play multiple roles in your everyday mobile life. The Trifold is really the first commercially available one internationally, globally, that fits this mold. And it's a whole new genre of phone and tablet, because it mixes the two so perfectly well that it's kind of hard to not pay attention to it. So, Galaxy Trifold. Not gonna lie, I like this thing very much. I might actually consider getting one, but until we make that decision, I'll just come here and play with it. That said, my name is NG the Neon X, and excited for the Galaxy Trifold. This is what I'm into.